Good afternoon, my lovely friends. How are you today? Okay, let's just say welcome. Welcome back to my channel, Retired Shenanigans with another one. Today, I'm going to put my hand on some turkey wings. Um, we just going to cook them regular. I'm going to put them in the oven in a pan. Let them steam, let them steam up, get really soft, and then take the cover off and let them cook down until they turn brown. So come on along, because we're going to make these turkey wings together. I'm going to have white rice and mixed vegetables. I'm going to do mixed vegetables today. You know, my fiance, he loves them, so it's his birthday month too, so I think I'll be nice and make him some mixed vegetables. So come on along, we're going to season them up, and we're going to get them ready for the oven. Okay, we're going to season up the turkey wings. They've been washed. You know, any poultry in my kitchen gets washed. So, we're going to start with, I'm going to use this today, complete seasoning. We think it's a lot, but it's never enough. We're going to use Slap Your Mama. And as always, you guys can use whatever you guys want. You know, we all have our own seasonings that we go to. So whatever you feel like doing, please, by all means, do it. This is my poultry seasoning. Y'all know how this be acting. Let's take the top off. Here, pour it on. We did this. Slap Your Mama. We're going to do some meat tenderizer because we want it to be tender. This is seasoned tenderizer. I don't know how well it worked, but I guess it tastes pretty good. Let's get some Creole seasoning, the original one. I don't really use this that much, so just a little bit. And y'all know my infamous garlic and herb. I'm going to screw the top off of it and pour it on there. You know what else I got here? I forgot to take and do, but I'm going to take it out while you guys are watching, and I'm going to put it in the bottom of the pan. This is the onion soup dip mix. We're going to put some of this on it. I'm going to get some peppers and onions out of my freezer, and I'm going to throw it in the bottom of that pan, and we're going to get it together. I'm going to get a glove. I'm getting a glove so I can stir it up, mix it up, whatever you want to call it, so we can get it all mixed up, coated, you know. We're going to lay them in the pan. I'm going to pour a little beef broth. I made it. I used the bouillon cubes, and I mixed it with some hot water. You know, those are cheaper, and they do the same thing. They do the same thing as the liquid. So if you want to save you some money, you can make bouillon. You know, you can make this beef broth, chicken broth with the bouillon. Just add hot water to it and get it all together. Look at that. They coat it nicely, right? I got them coated right nice. I'm going to lay them in the pan. Then I'm going to put the onion and peppers on. I'm going to put the onion and peppers on. And start getting them in the pan. These are going to be good. They are going to be good. I'm going to make some white rice, I said. And some mixed vegetables. I don't care about mixed vegetables myself, but like I said, my fiance loves them. So maybe I'll have him taste test for you guys today when he comes back. Because by the time he comes back, it'll be all ready. But I'm gonna get the peppers and I'm gonna put it on there. See, I made the little beef broth. See the bouillon, and mix it with some hot water, and I put it in there. These are frozen. I buy them from the store. You know, it's cheaper, and I cut them up and freeze them myself. You guys can do it. It's cheaper than buying them in the frozen. You know, you get more too. I got some green ones I'm gonna put on here, but these are, you know, multicolored ones. Red, orange, yellow. My orange ones are on the bottom. Let me see if I can mix it up and get some to the top. I got some green ones I'm gonna put in there, and I'm gonna put some onion. I do the same thing with green peppers. I cut them up, put them in the freezer. I cut them up, put them in the freezer, and when you're ready for them, they all ready to go. Now that's enough for 3 people. And them 6 turkey wings probably cost, I don't know. We're gonna eat under $10 though, probably, because y'all know I get the rice from the pantry. Cause I'm a pantry girl. I told y'all that. So the rice is free. The turkey wings, I think I got 6, 10. I got 12, and I broke it down into 2. I think I got 12 pieces of thing here for like $8. I went to a meat market, so that's like $4. $4 for 6, right? $4 for 6. So that's for under $10 we're gonna eat tonight. So we're gonna pour the little beef broth around. Right, look. I'm gonna put a little more hot water and dissolve. I'm gonna put a little more hot water, let it dissolve some more, and pour the rest. But I'm gonna put some aluminum foil. I got my oven heated to 350, and I'm gonna let them cook for maybe 2 to 3 hours. Because turkey wings can be tough, so let's cook them a while here. But they're gonna steam mostly. They're gonna steam up. That's my ice machine. Y'all know I make ice all the time. So, see? Now we're gonna put some aluminum foil on it. I'm gonna put some aluminum foil. And we're gonna put it in the oven. Tell me what you guys are having for dinner tonight. Put it in the comments. Also, don't forget, I appreciate my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I'm starting to feel like family with you. So, you know, I'm showing you these different things I'm doing, and you guys are watching, you're subscribing, and I'm truly, truly appreciative. Because without you guys, it would not. I'm going to put this in the oven, and when it comes out, we're going to have our rice and our vegetables already done, and we're going to eat them. So come on along. And like I said, thank you so much for all my new subscribers, for all my new friends, for all my new everything. Thank you for watching. But like I always say, turkey wing update. We got the water boiling for the rice. I'm going to get ready to put the vegetables on, but look how they look. Look how good they look. I took the paper off and let them get brown. But I'm going to put them back in. I'm going to put them back in for a little while longer. I want them to be falling off the bone. Let's see. I'm going to flip them again. And I'm going to let the other side, this side now, get a little browner too. And you see that juice that beef broth made? Ooh. Yep. So we're going to put them back in the oven. You can see they done. Look. Look how it fell apart here. So I'm going to put them back in. I'm going to put them back in so they can get a little more done. And you see I got the water boiling for the rice. So I'm going to make my mixed vegetables, and when it's all done, I'm going to have my fiance taste test it. Y'all will get to check him out. Alrighty. See you when I come back. This is the final results, people, of the turkey wings, rice, and mixed vegetable dinner that I made today. You see them turkey wings? I told you how they was going to come out. But we're going to have my fiance taste test it today. We're getting a treat. Mr. Eugene.
How you guys doing? Okay. I've been waiting for this meal all day.
All right. He's been waiting for that meal all day. Tell us the truth.
Truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
How does it taste?
All right. Hey, this is one of my favorite meals. You know that, right?
Yes, I know that.
Okay. They don't know it, though.
They don't know it. Right. You have a problem with it?
No, I just got to keep it.
Oh, okay. We don't want it.
I'm going to tell you right now, it's freaking looking good. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Sunday dinner, turkey wings, white rice with some gravy, got my mixed vegetables. Let me tell you guys something. This is very good.
All right, y'all have it. He said it's good. It tastes good, I'm sure, because I'm getting ready to eat some too. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Come back and see us on another one.
Bon appetit.
Remember, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.
Bon appetit.